What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a while. It ain't been a while that we've had this car, that's for sure. Had it a little over a month maybe. And yeah, but I apologize. I know it's been a while since I've been with y'all. But yeah, guys, I'm feeling a little under the weather today, but still gotta work. So what we got going on today, boys, as y'all can see, that's how we just got. Let me show y'all. So we got the old pulley off, as you can see. Wife went to the car wash the other day, and ran through the automated car wash, and car started making a weird noise. She thought the motor was gone, and lo and behold, it was this pulley. So she got it towed home, and after the tow truck dropped it right here, I had him drop it right here because worst case, I was just gonna let it drift back into the garage where I could work on it. And started it up, heard it, sounded like a rod or something coming loose in the bottom end. Shut it off real quick. Then I popped the hood and went straight to the serpentine belt, and it was just hanging. And wife kneeled down here by this wheel, and she said, all right, I see what it is. So this thing here, let me get this thing here came completely apart, like that. So I went ahead and took it off with my impact. I'm not a professional. I don't recommend you doing it this way. They sell a tool to do it the right way, but yeah, I do these repairs for myself and for fun. I'm not a professional. So now we've got the new pulley. This is a OEM Honda pulley. It cost me almost about $280, almost $300, y'all. So yeah, it's pretty pricey, but me myself personally, I don't recommend you buying the one from the auto parts store, and the K24 one won't work. I've got 2 spare ones. If you're subscribed to the channel and been following me for a while, you know I've got 2 down in that building that I'm going to be doing something with. I got one's the replacement for this car, and the other one's going in the hatch boost build. So, but yeah, y'all, I'm just going to go ahead and get this thing put on there real quick. All right, guys, got the pulley on there. Went on pretty easy. I just barely pushed it on and it said blop up. So now I'm just going to get my little key put right there, and then we can put the bolt back in. All right, guys, as you can see, we got our pin in. Everything's locked into place. Just gonna put the bolt in real quick. Get it hand tight or finger tight. All right, so I'm gonna get like I told you earlier, I'm gonna get an impact and run it back on like that. I'm not a professional at this. I do this just for my personal reasons. So yeah, I'm putting it on with an impact. Be back with y'all. All right, guys, sorry I had to do this off camera. It's way too hard to do it by yourself. And the wife tries to come out and help me from time to time, but we got the baby. So, got the pulley on, got the serpentine belt back on. Now just go check, see if our boys start back up.